10 best low FODMAP vegetables. If you're managing digestive issues like IBS, choosing the right vegetables can make a big difference. The low FODMAP diet focuses on reducing certain fermentable carbs that trigger symptoms like bloating, gas, and discomfort. Here are the 10 best low FODMAP vegetables that are gentle on digestion and packed with nutrition. 1. Zucchini. Mild in flavor and easy to cook, zucchini is low in FODMAPs when eaten in moderate amounts. It's great sautéed, grilled, or added to salads. 2. Bell peppers. Colorful and crunchy, bell peppers are rich in antioxidants and low in fermentable sugars. They're perfect raw or cooked in a variety of dishes. 3. Carrots. Naturally sweet and loaded with beta-carotene, carrots are a safe, crunchy snack or a tasty addition to soups and roasts. 4. Spinach. Both baby and mature spinach are low FODMAP in moderate portions. Use it raw in salads or wilted into warm meals. 5. Cucumber. Refreshing and hydrating, cucumbers are ideal for snacking or adding a cool crunch to salads and wraps. 6. Eggplant. This versatile veggie has a smooth texture and is FODMAP friendly. Try it grilled, roasted, or as part of stir-fries. 7. Green beans. Crisp and nutrient-rich, green beans are a good low FODMAP side dish when steamed or sautéed. 8. Tomatoes. Fresh tomatoes, especially Roma and common varieties, are low FODMAP in small servings. They add bright flavor to sauces, salsas, and salads. 9. Lettuce. All types of lettuce, from romaine to iceberg, are low in FODMAPs and provide a light, crunchy base for meals. 10. Radishes. These peppery root veggies bring zing to salads and snacks while staying low on FODMAPs. These 10 best low FODMAP vegetables offer a variety of textures, flavors, and nutrients without triggering digestive issues. Add them to your meals for a gut-friendly, flavorful boost. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.